Firstrade Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're considering investing with Firstrade, this honest review will help you decide if it's the right brokerage for you. Firstrade is a US-based online brokerage primarily known for its commission-free trades on stocks, ETFs, options, and mutual funds. It caters to both beginners and experienced investors, offering a robust platform with features like free research tools, educational resources, and advanced order types. But let's dive deeper into what you need to know before signing up. One of Firstrade's standout features is its zero commission structure, which applies to all trades, including options, a major plus compared to many competitors that charge per contract. This makes it ideal for frequent traders who want to minimize fees. Firstrade also has no account minimums, making it accessible to new investors who want to start small. Additionally, it provides free access to tools like Morningstar research reports, market insights, and advanced charting tools, which are valuable for those who like to analyze stocks before investing. However, there are some downsides you should consider. Firstrade doesn't offer fractional shares, which might be a deal breaker for investors who prefer to buy partial shares of high-priced stocks like Amazon or Tesla. It also lacks features like robo-advisors or automated portfolio management, so if you're looking for hands-off investing, this isn't the platform for you. For international users, Firstrade allows non-US citizens to open accounts, which is a big advantage over other US brokerages. But keep in mind that customer support can be hit or miss, especially for international clients. Firstrade offers phone and email support, but some users report slow response times. In terms of security, Firstrade is regulated by the SEC and FINRA, ensuring your investments are protected under US law. Your funds are insured up to $500,000 by SIPC, including $250,000 for cash balances. The mobile app is user-friendly, but lacks some of the advanced features available on the desktop platform. If you rely heavily on mobile trading, this might be something to consider. In summary, Firstrade is best suited for cost-conscious traders who value commission-free trades and research tools. It's a solid choice for DIY investors who want control over their portfolio without paying high fees. However, if you need fractional shares, robo-advisors, or premium customer service, you may want to explore alternatives. Overall, Firstrade delivers great value for active traders, especially those who want to minimize costs and access US markets from anywhere in the world.